can go diagonal backward. So technique of it will not change, but the look is slightly different. So let's combine again. We have a cucaracha side 2 and 34. Now we're going forward 2 and 30 forward. So now what's next we can add? We can add, which is very something what is very character for Rumba, change of levels. So here, instead of going now side, we will go a little bit down and just roll our hip without transferring weight. It's still the same cucaracha movement, but we're not gonna completely transfer weight. We're gonna go down, just play with our hips. And slow, and exactly the same on the front. Cucaracha, forward. And quick, slow, and quick, slow. So we again kept the character of this figure where it's a lot of body action, a lot of movement, only playing with those two direction where we step forward, side, or diagonal, or the level. Are we on our natural level, or are we going a little bit lower? Okay, so let's combine our development with the original figure. So original figure, cucaracha, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1. Now here will be development. So going one side, one forward, 2 and 3. So here stay the same, 2 and 3. And now we change both of them, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, what else we can play? When we choreograph, we can change timing. We can make it faster or we can make it slower. So we personally like to make it slower and sometimes add faster. But to add slower for Rumba, I think it's going to be more interesting. So let's take again our original figure, which is cucaracha, 2, 3, 4, 1. But now instead of going quick, slow, we're going to take it a little bit longer. We're going to have 2, 3, 4, 1, and close, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we did the same figure, but we make it much slower, which we find a quite beautiful thing to do. Okay, so let's go from very beginning till the very end and see development of the same figure. And basic, 2 original, always remember originals, 2 and 3, 4. Now development, this is original, that we're gonna go forward, 2 and 3, hip side, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3. And now slow development, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.